I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a clock in Minecraft. To begin, you'll need to gather a few essential materials. Specifically, you'll require 4 shiny gold ingots and 1 precious piece of redstone dust. Once you have these items, head over to your crafting table. The arrangement is quite simple, and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you create your very own functional timepiece. This clock will be incredibly useful for tracking the in-game day-night cycle. Finding your materials is the next crucial step. Gold ingots are obtained by smelting gold ore, which you can typically find deep within caves and ravines. Redstone dust comes from mining redstone ore, often located at Y level 16 or lower. Remember to use a pickaxe, preferably iron or diamond, to successfully mine these valuable resources. Gathering these components might take a little exploration, but it's well worth the effort for your new clock. Now let's assemble your clock at the crafting table. Open your crafting grid, which is a 3x3 square. Take your single piece of redstone dust and place it precisely in the very center slot. Then, surround that redstone dust with your 4 gold ingots, placing 1 in each of the cardinal directions: top, bottom, left, and right. Once arranged correctly, your brand new clock will magically appear in the output slot, ready for you to claim. With your clock crafted, using it is incredibly straightforward. Simply hold the clock in your main hand, and its face will immediately begin to rotate, visually indicating the current time of day in your Minecraft world. It cycles through morning, noon, evening, and night. This handy tool is perfect for knowing when to seek shelter from monsters, when to plant crops, or simply when it's time to catch some in-game Z's. Enjoy your new, timeless time teller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.